Hello again, friends. In this recipe, we combine our creamy, savory, gut-friendly stroganoff sauce with spring asparagus, vibrant leafy greens, red Japanese sweet potatoes, and golden chanterelle mushrooms. Okay, let's begin our peaceful prep. There are many choices for meat in this dish. Here I choose a simple, high-quality ground beef that's been both grass-fed and grass-finished, so no unwanted feedlot ingredients to cause havoc in our gut. As you know by now, salt is the sparkle in our food, and for red meat, it needs time to distribute evenly for juicier flavor. Up to 24 hours ahead of cooking is ideal. Give the mixture a good massage and then break into bite-sized pieces so they're easy and ready for the sauté pan later. This helps the meat crisp as the space between the smaller pieces allows the steam to rise and creates browning. I absolutely love the springtime vibe and colors of asparagus. To prepare, simply trim off about an inch of the woody end and then cut into pieces, whatever shape you like as long as they're uniform so they cook evenly. For your spring green onions, trim off the ends and then dice into small pieces. With your knife, remember, lift at the wrist, down and forward. And use the crab hand technique with your holding hand, as your knuckles will help guide the blade of the knife and keep your fingers safe. Any mushrooms will do in this recipe. I just happened to come across these remarkable chanterelles, literally considered the golden child of the mushroom world. To prepare, all they need is a simple brushing off of any remaining dirt from the forage. Also, any sweet potatoes will work in this recipe. Here I found a red Japanese variety from our local Fillory farm in Omak, Washington. Bright purple skin and white flesh. Simply cut in small pieces as they will sauté and steam easier. And a rough chop of your brilliant green spinach leaves is all you need. Step number 3, here is our Kiev Stroganoff Sauce, a gut-friendly version of this silky gravy, organic coconut cream thickened with nutrient-rich tahini, savory Worcestershire sauce, and heavenly thyme. Step number 4 in our cook well approach is heat. We cook our ingredients in batches by sautéing over a medium-high burner. With a nice hot pan, we add a bit of healthy fat for our first batch, our ground meat. When our first batch is protein, this allows any remaining flavor bits, or fond as it's called, it remains in the pan to carry through to the other ingredients. Remember to spread evenly with space so steam can rise, which allows for browning. Press to sear to help browning and lock in flavor. One of the other keys to browning red meat is to pull it from the refrigerator 20 minutes prior to cooking, so it can be at room temperature before going into the pan. Transfer to your platter and let rest, as the residual heat will continue to gently cook the protein and create delicious flavored juices. The second batch is mushrooms and aromatics. Add a good portion of healthy fat here for the mushrooms, as they'll soak it up and need it to help crisp. These blossom-shaped mushrooms, chanterelles, are known for their beautiful yellow-orange color and subtle earthy flavor, with hints of butter and apricot. Not to mention, they're packed full of nature's nutrients. Add salt after the mushrooms have been fully seared, otherwise they can become a little soggy. Move the mushrooms to the side to continue cooking and add your aromatics. The third and remaining batches are our plants. We work from firmer to tender. Here we start by sautéing our hearty sweet potatoes. Stir to coat. Salt for sparkle. Press to sear. After the potatoes have browned just a bit, add a quick steam for tenderizing. You simply swirl a tablespoon or two of water or broth around the sides of the pan and then cover. You only need a minute or two. Next, we add our asparagus, a drop of oil, stir to coat, salt and press to sear. Finally, we add our tender, leafy greens. Plate the final ingredients however you're inspired. Here, I mix everything together on the platter. Gently combine. And then top with our savory Kiev Stroganoff Sauce. Enjoy.